In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT's study mode. Whether you're a student looking to optimize your study sessions or someone keen on learning new topics efficiently, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open ChatGPT, so go ahead and launch the ChatGPT application on your device, whether you're on a computer or a mobile device. If you're accessing it through a browser, simply type in the URL and navigate to the ChatGPT homepage. Once you're there, ensuring that you're logged in with your account, we can proceed to the next step. Now, once you've opened ChatGPT, the next step is to start a new chat. This is crucial because you want an uncluttered space to focus solely on your study session. On your screen, you'll typically find an option for a new chat or a plus icon. Clicking it resets the conversation, providing a fresh canvas for all your study-related queries. After clicking New Chat, you should now see a plus icon on your chat interface. This icon is generally located either at the bottom left or right corner of your screen, depending on the version you are using. You might wonder why this step is important. Clicking the plus icon opens up a menu that allows you to choose different functionalities within ChatGPT, and it provides quick access to various modes designed to enhance your interaction. With the menu open, look for an option labeled Study and Learn. This is the key feature we'll be using to switch ChatGPT into a mode best suited for educational purposes. By selecting Study and Learn, you're essentially telling ChatGPT to gear its functionality towards helping you absorb information better, providing you with more educational-centric guidance. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, you can use a prompt to set ChatGPT into study mode directly. It's as simple as typing a command like activate study mode or something similar that the application recognizes as a trigger. It's really about which approach you find more convenient. Some people like using the menu for a visual confirmation, while others prefer typing commands for a quicker start. Once you've set ChatGPT to study mode using one of these methods, it's time to type in your prompt. Think of this prompt as your study question or topic you need help with. It could be anything from explain quantum physics to help me with math problems. Type in whatever you need help with and hit that enter or send button. The response you get will be tailored to facilitate learning, often breaking down complex information into digestible bits, asking follow-up questions to ensure you grasp the topic, or even suggesting additional resources for further study. With these steps, you'll have ChatGPT ready to assist you in boosting your learning capabilities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different topics and prompts. Happy studying!